Hi everyone, my name is Melissa and today I'm going to teach you about the website called Mention. So before we start this tutorial on how to use Mention, Mention is basically just like a website where you follow up on different categories and you see how they're mentioned. For example, here is on the sidebar, I have Facebook, Fox News, Forever 21, CBC6, ABC News, and I also follow up with my school. And with this, it like shows you different people who are mentioning the category that you submitted. And so while I was following up on different categories, I have I have tabs where I was searching up Facebook and I found this decent article about how a little girl who her name is Curry and she's 2 years old, she was over looking at Michelle Obama's portrait and somebody decided to take a picture of her and her picture went viral. Not only did her picture go viral, she got the chance to dance with Michelle Obama at her school dance. And Michelle Obama congratulated her and also told her that one day she may be able to look up to her on a portrait. Not only was that the only article that I also found an article that was focusing on using paper instead of voting machines. And they did pull up a good example on how we do take tests with Scantrons and they all go through a machine. Nowadays with technology, it's so easy to get caught up and just scam or fraud or just cheat. So I do agree, maybe we should go back to using papers instead of technology. Technology is taking so much of our world right now. So then I took words that I found on my Mention website. So then I took those words and I put it on my Word It Out, and Word It Out showed me which words are being used more. So the words that are smaller, for instance, dancer and winter, you can see that those words aren't really used much. But as for technology, time, voting, Obama, Facebook, they're used plenty more times. So with this website, I think it's a great thing for people who are in the field for media and want to keep up with different type of categories or brands. It just shows you the recent updates and what people are talking about these websites and brands and companies. This website was very easy to use. It's very straightforward. As you can see, you just go up here, you can search up, for instance, Black Lives, and then they'll show you like different categories where people are mentioning Black Lives and etc. on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to use mentions. Come back for more tutorials. Thank you.